If your car says these two words on the front or the back of it, then unfortunately right now, you need security. Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor, Max behind the camera, and from all the team at John Cleese Car Audio, we're going to run you through a little bit of a security package to make sure the Range Rover stays in your possession. You're probably wondering what kind of security you can have on your vehicle if you're not already familiar with the most popular products out there. Naming one, the Autowatch Ghost, number two, a tracker, or number three, or behind door number three, a much better alarm and immobiliser system. They are your free security options to make sure your Range Rover stays with you. This Range Rover Velar, brand new, pre-registered, has come into us because it needs security. And we've gone with the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser because it is by far the most affordable and, dare I say it, cheapest method of immobilisation to protect it. I'm just going to go through and show you what the Autowatch Ghost does for you to make sure it does stay with you. And we're going to get inside to do that because there's nothing on the outside of the car you need to see. All you need is your car keys, nothing else. So if we jump in the car, I'm going to show you what this does. In essence, this is a security device that stops your car from being stolen. Okay, that is the simple layman's terms of it. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of how that works. By having the car keys, or someone has amplified your key through relay attack, or they've stolen your keys, I'm going to recreate what they would have done. They get in, they're going to put their foot on the brake, and they're going to start. Now this car does start, because that's how this platform works. I'm going to put it in drive, because the gearbox is right here. And what do you know? The car stalls, completely cuts out. That is it. They're not going anywhere. They can put their foot on the brake and they can keep pushing start. It will not do anything. And then hopefully they're going to get frustrated and they're just going to leave your car and unfortunately go for someone else's Range Rover which hasn't got security on it. Now I'm going to demonstrate what you would do as a consumer and how you operate this car with a Ghost installed on it. You put your ignition on. I'm going to imagine the vehicle is running right now. I've obviously just stalled it for the benefits of this video. But then my ignition lights are on the car. I'm going to put in this client's secret code. For now, it's not so secret because it's a generic code that we use for testing. 4 digits in particular I'm going to do, or 4 button presses. And then what I'm going to get on my dashboard is I'm going to get a confirmation using one of the factory lights. It's the main beam flashing. It flashes back at me twice to say my code has been successfully entered. And now I can put my foot on the brake. It will start, and guess what? It will go in drive, and I can drive off. It's as simple as that. No sequence entered, no car going. It's as simple as that, it will stay. It's a very easy product, the Autowatch Ghost, to live with. The first few weeks you may be a bit frustrated about putting a code in. It'll become muscle memory before you know it. If you don't want to put a code in, then we have other security options which stops you from having to put a code in, and you just keep a little keyring on you at all times. So we have 2 options of security packages. Doesn't have to be the Ghost, but it is a great product. For the money, you can't really beat it. That, with putting your keys in a Faraday box or pouch, you're pretty much protected against 99% of the thieves out there. If you've seen on the videos, they cut a hole in the boot of these Range Rovers and get in that way, it's still going to stop them from stealing the car that way. And unless they've got a seriously amount of uninterrupted time, they're not going to find this product. When installed by ourselves, we take pride in how we install. We don't bash them in half an hour, unfortunately, like other dealers out there that may do. We spend time, we hide it, we bury it. Not much more I can say on Autowatch Ghost. That is it. It's as simple as that. But like I said, we do other security packages, so if you want to inquire what we can do and what we can also offer, then get in contact. You know the details. You've got a comment section you can reply to. We always reply to that. You can message us on WhatsApp using our number, or you can email us on info@johncleese.com. I'm going to end it now. That's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio, signing off.